How about making pizza this season with the regular ingredients in your home? This method is cost friendly and also very easy to make. So quickly, let's dive into the process. With just a bulb of Irish potato or Nigerian sweet potatoes, this can be achieved. Once you are done peeling and dicing the potatoes, then we go over to the next process. With your non-stick pan and your vegetable oil, you go ahead and add it in the frying pan. Heat up the oil and pour in your sweet potatoes or your Irish potatoes and distribute it evenly. After that, crack 3 eggs into your mixing bowl. To add to taste and flavor, add some dried black pepper, salt, and also dried garlic. Stir evenly and generously to help the ingredients distribute evenly. After that, you're going to be kneading your spring onions, cut them into sizes, and you pour it into the bowl of mixed egg, garlic, and other ingredients. Of course, tomatoes will add to the coloration and make it more appetizing, so you go ahead and dice it. Pour into the mixture and stir evenly. After these have been achieved, then you go over to the potatoes that are being fried on the pan. Sprinkle some salt and pepper, red bell pepper and diced paprika. Add some oregano. This will help in stirring up the flavor. On to the next ingredient, which is one of the most important, and that's yogurt. 150 gram of yogurt is enough for this recipe. Pour in and stir evenly. Take the mixture and sprinkle it through the potato and allow to cook or fry for about 2 to 5 minutes. You require to use low heat, especially if you're not making use of non-stick pan. Now, using a flat plate, flip the batter, giving the other surface the chance to get fried for some minutes. Sprinkle 80 grams of cheese and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle also parsley leaves. This will make it to look more beautiful and appetizing. Your food is ready to serve, and all I can say now is relax and enjoy. There are still other methods of preparing your pizza, and I will show you that in my other videos. Thanks for watching.